to the AA creation. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install the WinRAR archive for 64-bit and 32-bit. I have put the download link in the description. First open the link description in your browser and you can see download WinRAR. Click here for the 32-bit version. I'm going to click download WinRAR. Go down and download. Click on download. Now this is start the installation. I'm going to go to my computer and run the setup. Downloads WinRAR. Now click yes, okay. Now click on the install button. Now the installation has